Hi, you guys. Can you believe this disaster I've created? This is my life, okay? This is my life every time I go by. I have grown to absolutely hate this floor. My stepson came over. He was gonna help, and he only did 6. He said, it's so hard. He's like, I'm like, how many did you get done? He's like, 6. I'm like, oh my God. My husband told last night, I hate to tell you, but you've been beaten by a girl, because I've done the majority. But I feel responsible. I started this project. So, every time I go by, I do 1 or 2. Now the problem is gonna be there's particles all over. So I have to scrape all this up too. Like when I broom it, it just sticks everywhere. So I don't even know how I'm gonna get this clean enough to get the floor down, because obviously I can't lay it with these bits and pieces of, look at my sneakers. I can't lay it with all these bits because it'll be a disaster movie. So as much as I thought I was gonna get to the floor soon, I think needs to be some major cleanup. What I do need is a more hardy broom. This baby is not good enough. I need like an industrial broom because I can't see, it just sticks. This is a disaster. And I don't want to hire anybody. I got this close, I got this far. So I'm going to just keep working at this. Thanks for following along. Okay, guys, I'm ready. I cut in a lot. It's not perfect. I'm doing the best I can. So I'm gonna get up there and roll that baby. Bye-bye, burgundy. I really did love this, these colors. This was Ralph Lauren suede paint, so it had a texture to it. And it was really beautiful for a lot of years. But, like everything, and it's got a lot of damage to it. So I'm gonna start right there. I've gotta go, oops, oh, sorry, hey. So, this is my job now, home improvement. Little Dutchie's outside, she's looking at me through the window. Hi, Dutch. Who's peeking in the window at me? Well, hello. Oh, that scared you. Oh, honey. I know. You want to take a look around? What am I doing? All right, I'll go upstairs and let you in. I really can't let you in down here because all this stuff will get stuck to your paws. All right? Okay. She's like, what is this crazy lady doing? It's just that when my husband gets home from work, he's so beat up that I'm trying to do it as much as I can. I'm pushing myself to the limit. I'm so excited to get rid of this red. to do it in little blocks of time just because of, you know, other things I got to deal with. All right.